All right, welcome back. I'm saying that because this is the second video I've recorded today. But as you can see, I am back on the. Sorry, I'm back on the. I'm on the Harley. Oh, sorry. Oh man, that was tough to get out. But yeah, now that I'm not doing like an honest, unbiased review on it, I'm gonna make fun of it. Just because, like I said in the review video, I'm not a Harley person. It is not bad. Like I will give it that. It is not bad. I just don't. I'm not a Harley guy. Well, but now I can say whatever I want. In the review video, I was being I was being genuine, like unbiased, trying to be open-minded. This isn't that big, so now I'm gonna mess around with it. I keep every time I stop and I start going again, I keep trying to put my feet like up here, like I would on my bike, and it's getting real confusing. Apparently, there is a way to change this, like what you see up here. No clue how, but that is apparently a thing. I still don't like the speedometer. But I tell you what, brother, I sure do feel more manly on this one. Not at all. No. I would much rather prefer my sport bikes. It feels mandatory to talk like that being on this bike. Like, I don't know if you guys would agree. If you ride sport bikes and get on a Harley, it just feels mandatory that like you gotta talk like that. Be one of them real tough boys that works 80 hours a week. You know, go home and meet your wife. I mean, that's just a joke. Sometimes the wife beats you. And I'm saying that because that's happened. I'm gonna stop talking about abuse. It's not a joke, man. I would just say that I've experienced it. If anybody thinks I'm being insensitive, I've been on the receiving end, and I'll leave it there. But yeah, Harley. It's not the sound I expected. I mean, that is when you do that, but like, just normally riding it. Sorry, I just died for a second, but it's not as loud as I thought it was going to be, which is rather pleasant. It is pretty chilly today, compared to what it has been, so probably could have worn long sleeves, but I don't need them because I'm on a Harley. But this is, I think I mentioned it in the review video, but I'm like in my hometown where I grew up, which it feels good to be back, but I haven't gone riding here in like 2 years. Yeah, it's been 2 years, so like it brings back a lot of memories, and I really wish I could bring my bike down here more often, just for like nostalgia purposes pretty much, but I've been pretty busy lately. I also haven't had any money coming in because of like surgery, and the whole work system still not putting me back on the schedule and everything, so like I have no money coming in, but I have a lot of money going out because I have a lot of stuff going on right now, unfortunately, so it's tough. So I can't really be, that would be like 2 or 3 tanks of gas. Nah, it would just be 2 tops, but like that adds up fast, so I can't do it as often as I'd like, which I haven't done it at all yet. But I do definitely want to get my R6 down here sometime for a video, and I know a group of people here with bikes, so maybe if I coordinate with them, I can get them in on the video, but right now I'm just don't have the free time. I'm glad this isn't one of the ones where your arms are like up here, like the ape hangers they call them, I think. Glad it's not that. But I don't know if any of them come stock that way, or if people just add them. If they come stock that way, that's ridiculous. Hey, can we maybe get off of the road? What the fuck are you guys doing? Let's just ride our weed whackers on the road. I also found out when I said that this was comfortable because the gas tank wasn't like crushing your balls. Apparently, the gas tank is under the seat, so you have to like you have to lift up the seat to put gas in it, which would be kind of annoying. But it is much more comfortable that way. That also sounds like a huge safety risk to me, having it right under you versus between your legs. Yeah, between your legs is not fun at all. Like, absolutely not, you know. But I would rather just get cooked meatballs than my entire body. So I think I would rather have the discomfort with slightly more safety, and also not have to take my seat off every time I need gas. But I don't design bikes, I just ride them and review them. Hell yeah, brother. This honestly doesn't sound super different from the MT-03 that I've reviewed. But yeah, I'm at my destination pretty much, so I'm going to wrap it up here. Another short video, but it wasn't a very far ride. Hope you found it funny and enjoyable. That was the goal for this. So hopefully I accomplished it. If you want to see, I was going to say if you want to see more like Harley or cruiser content from me, let me know. But I don't plan on doing anymore, so there's no point in saying that. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I appreciate you watching. This is my probably final Harley video ever, so hope it was fun. I'll see you later on a real bike. I mean, my normal bike.